Hello, finally is gassing. Was a long run, but it's charging now. It's charged. So this is the curve of the charge. I start like for 85 with the solar tracker the first half hour, but was not enough when it's so low. So I connect the 6 coil and start the activity, the peak, almost at 10 volt. It came down, activity there, and was for a long time 9 volt. Here the first switching, probably in impedance. After 8 hours, 6 hours, I had to change the primary battery and start to raise up. Finally at 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and now is 16, 15. I probably disconnected 16, 20. So John and somebody wanna comment. This is the curve. It took almost 12 hours, 11:30, and that's the curve of the charging. The 6 coil running, and over here I'm forming the zinc lead and alum. Now, and over here the zinc lead with alum and soda carbonate. Actually I put the bicarbonate, is the only thing that I had, but anyway, it's running the oscillator that I made, and it's drawing 4 milliampere at 1.4 volt. And over there, this is the charging in the battery. Let's see if it will be self-running. So again, this is the charge, and thank you for watching. Good night.